So today we're going to use the equation of proportionality, which is y equals kx, to solve our problems. So the first problem we have is a florist used the equation y equals kx to determine how many flowers she needed for 7 bouquets. She determined she needed 175 flowers. How many flowers were in each bouquet? So we need to determine which one is our y value, which one's our k value or our constant, and which one is our x value. In order to do this, we need to look at what is given. So we know that we have 7 bouquets, and we know we have 175 flowers, and we need to look at what we're trying to find, which is how many flowers are in each bouquet. So how many flowers are in each bouquet looks a lot like a unit rate, which could be represented as flowers per bouquet. And we should know that our unit rate is the same as our k value, or constant of proportionality. So our k is equal to flowers per bouquet. And if we know our equation for constant of proportionality, we know that k is equal to y over x. So what this tells me is that my flowers is represented by my y value, and my bouquet is represented by my x value. So once you know that, you can plug the numbers into the equation. So my y is equal to 175. We are trying to find the k value, because our k is how many flowers are in each bouquet. And my x value is 7. And if you have that, you can do the inverse operation. So this is k times 7. So we divide both sides by 7. These 7s cancel out. So k is equal to 175 flowers over 7 bouquets, which means k is equal to 25 flowers. For this next question, all the information is given to you, and we just have to kind of work backwards. So a construction contractor used the equation 11.52 equals 1.44 times 8 to calculate how much 8 boxes of nails would cost him. So if you know that, how much would 2 boxes of nails cost? So if we start with this equation, and we know our equation is y equals k times x for a proportional relationship, we just work backwards and substitute our letters back in. So 11.52 is equal to y, 1.44 is equal to k, and our x is equal to 8. Which means our x variable represents our boxes of nails, and 1.44 represents our constant, and 11.52 represents our cost. So we can substitute these values back into the equation. So we do not know our y because we're trying to figure out what our new cost is. We know our constant stays the same in any proportional relationship, so our k value, no matter how many boxes of nails, will remain 1.44. And our x value is representative of the number of nails, our boxes of nails. And in this case, we have 2 boxes of nails, so we substitute x equals 2 into the original equation. So instead of writing x, we put a 2. So y equals 1.44 times 2, or 2.88. So 2 boxes of nails would cost $2.88.